This presentation is brought to you by globalinternet.py, built by Gessner des Landes, Engineer-in-Chief. This message is for the Haitian community. My name is Gessner des Landes and I am using an AI voice to talk to you about why Haiti is not a market for the social media platforms we currently use. First of all, PayPal does not work in Haiti, which prevents us from receiving real gifts during our live streams. Yet we keep going live with no tangible donation value. Upon investigation, I realized that the Haitian market is not considered profitable because no investors put money into advertising targeted at our community. In other countries, creators get paid when they reach thousands of followers, depending on each platform's requirements. We Haitians post every day and go live on a daily basis without ever seeing a cent. So we waste our time on technological innovations that could actually make a global impact. If we don't change our perspective, we will miss the AI revolution. While other nations use technology to connect to the global market, we Haitians use it mostly for entertainment. That is why I recently built a software called Lakay. It is a social media platform that offers everything the existing ones do, with one major difference: when you add your digital phone number and your Moncash number, you can receive real money as gifts from anywhere in the world, through a service called Prism Transfer, which sends the funds directly to your Moncash or Natcash account. My platform is active right now. You can go live and share the link with anyone, anywhere. Stop wasting your time in communities that don't represent you. Create your account today by clicking the link below. Tell your friends and siblings. Let's invest in our own community to grow and innovate. Stop wasting your time elsewhere. Join Lakay now. https://globalintern/tpy-4JD6wqq8n for danejemkh.streamlit